Today I turned the key after the car said all weekend, and it started clean on the first try. No jump, no call for help. I will tell you what changed for me and how I used Easy Battery Fix the right way. The official website link is in the description so you do not get scammed. I was tired of dead tools and surprise car drama. Saturday morning the drill would fade after one screw. A cold day and the car clicked instead of starting. I kept buying replacements and a little pile of half-good batteries grew in the garage. Chargers, tips from the internet, nothing stuck. The part that got me was feeling dependent on luck every time I needed something to turn on. I picked Easy Battery Fix because the idea felt simple and human. Short lessons that show how to test, clean, recharge, and in some cases bring a tired battery back when it is still safe to do so. Basic tools, clear safety steps, no magic. Some batteries are done and should be recycled. Many are just neglected and respond when you treat them right. I kept it simple. I watched one module with my morning coffee. I made a small kit with gloves, eye protection, a cheap multimeter, a brush for terminals, baking soda in case of acid, a charger that can do a slow charge. I followed the step-by-step. Check, clean, connect, charge slow, test again. For the little tool packs, the program showed how to clean contacts and do a gentle wake-up instead of forcing a fast charge. I did not try to be fancy. I just stopped the small sabotage. In the first week I brought a cordless drill pack back from useless to holding a real charge. I ran a few screws in a row and it kept going. On the car I cleaned the terminals, did a slow charge, and the next morning the engine turned over strong. That alone felt like money back in my pocket. Between the second and the third week I tackled the mower battery and the stubborn scooter pack. I learned what a healthy reading looks like for my stuff and wrote it down so I was not guessing. I set a reminder to do a maintenance charge. After the mower sat, I stopped tossing batteries that still had life. From the fourth to the sixth week I had a little battery corner that worked, a clean shelf, a charger that lived on slow setting, a simple log of before and after checks and how long a tool actually ran. Friends dropped off a couple of tired packs and we saved them a trip to the store. Picture 90 days from now with a car that starts, tools that hold charge, and fewer batteries going to the trash. That picture kept me going. Quick reminder so you do not get burned. Easy Battery Fix is not sold on Amazon or random marketplaces. The official website link is in the description. That is where I got it. What I liked in practice. Lessons are short. Steps are clear. Most fixes use normal stuff you already have or can get for a few bucks. What it is not is instant and it is not a miracle. Swollen, cracked or leaking batteries are done and should be recycled the right way. You respect safety gear, keep sparks away, ventilate the area and do not rush. If you are unsure about a battery or have any condition that makes this risky, get help from a pro and stay safe. How I kept myself on it. I wrote the resting reading before any work, the reading after a slow charge, and how long a tool actually ran. I noted if the car started cold after sitting. Seeing those lines move the right way stopped me from judging based on one start or one stall. If a weekend slipped, Monday I got back on track. Consistency beats perfection. About access, skills stick with repetition, not in 15 days. What held my results was staying with the program for 90 to 180 days as I rotated through the house and garage. If they offer a 3-month or 6-month access plan or bundle with updates, that makes more sense than renewing little by little. There is a money-back guarantee. Keep your order info so a refund is simple. If it is not for you. Bottom line, I did not want to buy a new battery every time something blinked. I wanted a routine that saves money, reduces stress, and gives me a little independence. Easy Battery Fix gave me that with steps I can live with. If you decide to try it, give yourself 3 or 6 months of real consistency and take the guesswork out of your batteries. The official site link is in the description.